What's up, guys?
I'm Nisi.
I'm Lyric.
And I'm Iris.
Welcome to TNT Beauty. Hi, guys. So if you're seeing this video, that means it was not a total disaster. We're looking a little cray right now because we are playing dress up. And first up is my lovely niece, Lyric. We're going to be creating a Lori Harvey inspired look. We're going in with hair, makeup, and we're going to be creating this picture right here. So if you want to see how Rosebud is transformed into the one and only Lori Harvey, then just keep watching. Okay, guys, so I'm not good at braiding. Like, just take it easy on me, okay? I'm doing my best. I didn't even bother filming that part because it's like, if you need help braiding, then you're going to have to look at a video other than mine. But I will pick up with the edges. We all know that Lori has wonderful edges, so I want to pay extra close attention to that. So I can't find my pomade, so I'm just going to use this Ecostyler Gel to smooth down Lyric's edges. And she has very nice edges herself. Yeah, you're welcome. I always have to work with mine. Mine are not naturally great. Okay, so now that I've got the edges under control, I'm going to go in and shape up Lyric's brows. Now, the good thing is both Lyric and Lori have pretty thick brows. So I'm just going to give a little more definition to the brows. And hopefully I don't mess her up like I have myself many times. So I'm going to try to avoid tweezers because I know how uncomfortable tweezing can be if you're not used to it. Alright, so basically I'm just really cleaning things up. So didn't do much on the top, just cleaning it up. Wanted to define the arch a bit, and thankfully I don't have much to do. Lyric's got some good brows going on. They just needed a little boost, and so there we go. Don't look.
I'm not gonna look.
Don't look. No cheating.
I'm just stretching.
Okay. And she's right in front of the mirror, so she's very tempted to cheat, but I'm not going to let her. Okay, so Lori's look is all about being natural but glowy. I mean, she's just always got this soft glam look. So I'm going to start Lyric off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is my favorite primer and just what I go to when I want a really soft, flawless, smooth look. Okay, so while that primer is settling in, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Brow Define and Fill. And I'm just going to do some light brush strokes. I personally love a soft, natural brow. I don't get into the harsh lines, but it's really just personal preference. You do you. And then I'm just going to blend, like on the parts where you can tell that there's been brow product. I just want that to be a little more natural. Then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set. And this is just going to hold the brows in place and blend in the product with the brows. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm okay with the brows now. If not, I'll go back and perfect them. But I'm just going to have Lyric put on some Vaseline. This is the Creme Brulee Lip Therapy, and I'm going to have her prepping her lips for that famous Lori Harvey pout. While she's doing that, I'm going to go in and conceal under the eyes, and then any areas that need concealing. So I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in Golden. You didn't look, did you?
No.
Alright, so we're going to start out under the eyes. I like to go ahead and do over the eyes as well. So Lyric obviously does not need foundation, but since we're playing dress up and having fun, I am going to top this complexion off with the Clinique Even Better Skin in Mocha. And I'm just going to use just a tiny little drop. And I feel like even that is too much. Like I can't stand to cake on the makeup, and I know when I put it on, it's like no matter how little foundation I put on, it's just, if I don't blend it with a spray or something, I just feel like it's too much. So I'm really trying to go light and keep the look nice and natural to get us ready for this next fun glowy step. Okay, so next, I do makeup like a person with ADHD because I have ADHD. So I'm going to start on the eyes and the contour. I'm going to be using this beautiful Tarte, what does this even say? Park Avenue Princess. Isn't she pretty?
Interesting name.
Yeah. But look at those beautiful colors. And this is where you really start to kind of like sculpt the face, highlight, go in with definition. I'm going to be using this beautiful crown shade. It's like a shimmery bronze. And so I'm going to accentuate here. And then here as well. And then the hairline. Yeah, don't kill me.
I know.
It'll be alright though.
Yeah, he's used to me wearing makeup by now.
You're one of us, so he's just gonna have to get over it.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna use that same color for the base of the eyeshadow. We're going for a very natural look. I love how pigmented this is. It's natural, but a little bit goes a long way. Okay, so next I've got this Urban Decay. Voila. Can you even see that? Okay, I'm going to go in with this what does that say? After Party. Oh my gosh, doing a terrible job. This After Party, it's really pretty. And then I'm going to take this Golden Glory color and sweep that right into the middle of the lid. And then blend it out. And then I probably should have done this first, but I'm just going to clean up right underneath the brow. I think I'm going to use this Enhance. Oh yeah, a little bit of that goes a long way. And now, I'm just going to blend it all in. So we have a seamless look. You don't want to, when you can see like the lines, like your eyeshadows should all blend in. So it's natural looking. Okay, all right. So we're going to do some, what is it called? Mascara. Do some mascara next. And we're going in with the Tarte Big Ego. And here she is. Your mom's gonna be so surprised.
Yeah.
I'm jealous that she's not here.
I'm getting ready to say that.
Yeah, don't look up again. Oh, pretty, that's pretty.
She's gonna be mad at me because she's been begging me to film with her.
Okay, that's kind of scary. Alright. And I'm just gonna add a little smudge of eyeliner. This is the Thrive Cosmetics. Love this stuff. And I think I'm actually just gonna line the lash line with this. Okay, so the blush is next. I've got my Ride or Die Rimmel Maxi Blush, and this is in Rendezvous. I like to do my blush high, and all it takes is just a little bit for this look. I like to go in some on the tip of the nose. It just makes it more realistic if all that color is not in just one spot of your face. It's just, I don't know, it seems more real to me. And now, in my opinion, the most important part for a Lori Harvey look is the lips. She has beautiful lips. In this look, she's got like a brown and mauve color going on. So this is, I've never used this, so I haven't read it. This is the matte My Flip Side pencil, and it's like a, why is that green? That's not even showing up. Okay, let's just see. I'm sure Paris had something to do with the fact that this is green, like it shouldn't be. Okay, so here's the ColourPop Ultra Satin, and this is, I'm pretty sure, this, I don't know if this is a gloss or a matte lipstick. I use it, but I never can remember until I go in and put it on. So what I like to do is just put on a little bit, not fully cover the lip. Go ahead and I'm going to go, let me see. Oh, that's pretty, but I need some more brown, and my brown's in the car. Okay, I don't have my brown. This is great. I told you I'm disorganized. But I'm going to go in with this Flower Beauty. This is like a nude. And so I'm just going to smooth this out. Okay, it's pretty, but it doesn't go with the look. So we're going to blot it off some. Blot it.
Oh.
Like, do this.
Oh.
Like, put your, have you not ever blotted off
No.
lipstick? Do this. There, that's how you blot. Okay.
Is it my turn now?
Not yet. So I'm just going to put a little bit. Now, dab it in again. Smooth it out. And then I'm going to do this.
It's going perfect.
All right, and voila, that completes our Lori Harvey inspired look. But next is the photo shoot, and we will be sure to include some pictures from that to see how close we can get in recreating Lori Harvey's look in this particular picture. Thank you so much to my beautiful niece model, Lyric, and until the next video. So I'm a big goofball, and when I went back and looked at the picture, I realized that I forgot eyeliner and bronzer, so I did go back and add those things. So here you go.